Chapter 10 Sri Sai Satyata Baba Sai Baba Mode of Life, His Sleeping Mode, His Stays in Shirdi, His Teaching, His Humility, the Easiest Path. Remember Sri Sai Baba always in love with, he was engrossed in doing good to all, always appeared to himself to remember Sai Baba. One day solves the riddle of life and death. The best and easiest sadhana sadhana is expenditure. A little extraction brings a great verse or strong sense to the sounds. We should minimize and practice the sadhana order goods and usually. The Sadguru is one if we believe to Sadguru holy feet. He can change our fortune for better if we serve him well. If we can create samsara, we need to not study philosophy like a Naya and the Muslim. If we make him Muslim, we can easily cross the sea and pains our lives by trusting Muslim. Crossing the oceans, we have to trust our Sadguru in crossing oceans. The Sadguru is an intense feeling. He was now devoted and does with knowledge and strong person. Lazarus decided to medication. And the devotee explains Chapel discipline and how Baba lived and slept and his thought, etc. Baba wonderfully blessed. Let us see but how Baba slept on his own with about a wooden plank for Sai Baba. It's a cubic length and resolution better to use for sleeping. Instead of keeping the plank on the floor and then sleeping, Baba and his swing raftles of Mastia's old shells, racks and commenced to sleep. Upon entering, the racks were so thin to honor it was a snow could support the weight of plank itself and Baba, but somewhat was a sheer Leela, though the one of seven planks was the weight of Baba on no core corners of the plank. Baba Lil Pandras, Ethan lamps at the east corner, capable from whole night it was still sitting. Baba sitting and sleeping on this plank was wondered to see Baba was able to get down and get up on the plank. Baba had to reach this support to his command was not practice on the one for them. They came to him natural results of perfection. Dr. Kirsimani observed social processes dismounting them, but none of successfully observing the smoking. God begins to encourage to unusual actors. So finally, one day, Baba broke the plan to pieces and threw it away. Sargam and Shishma Brahma Sai Baba looked like a man, tree cabbage and often the length of his story out of inwardly get unattached indifference and discernment but outwardly looking to outside public and fair this appear full of desire for sake whatever is in a status and about a peace yet outwardly appear and inwardly assist in the state of Brahma and loud outwardly but outwardly we appear to be entangled with the world but not even act in terms and like a devil. Sometimes we look upon the everyone with affection, sometimes we throw responsibility, sometimes we could scold at them while rather than embracing the Osman. Personal balance to Kiaburu, the engrossed self and will discourse towards his bhaktas. Kiara since now traveled, his always carried his hand. He was come with us to hunt. He never cared for the wealth and fame, lived from begging such as lady. He was a Laman Korasalian, complete never knows any bhaktas. He was a student of knowledge of the divine bliss, such as a divine from Saibaba, boundless and endless, infinitely the soul principles and the holiness of Thomas Sondum Brahman and Karnata Saibaba. Fortunately, some people, the situations which enhance those. Not knowing the real author Sai Baba is taken to mean man and mere human being was misrepresented. History and study and the proverb birthdate. No one knew no one knew the parents and exaggerated Sai Baba but can background written by students and Baba was one of the members of last 16th and 13 suddenly disappeared after some time instead of Nizam at the age of 20. He runs into marriage at this hotel. Since then, study continues for 16 days since 1918. From this, we can say approximately 1838 AD. Baba Mission and Railway Saint from the 1686 floor is down to the fulfill to a great extent the mission of in the thousand. Brahmins on the torture of Ivanovas but within the next 2 centuries, the split between the two communities and mother. Why and again the Saga came to Brist the Gulf for his consistent ways to separate Rama, the god of Hindus, the god of Mohammedans. Same time, there is nothing like difference between them. Why should different separate themselves or let them all people both economic child and join the hands communities together. They may act in great nationality as it's not a good way, but here in harmonious connection, but rather a communication will follow. The Lord will be so different from yoga, sacrifice, penance, and knowledge. It has been within God. If you not succeed in it, but this means both if you not does evil unto you not retaliate if you do anything, do something good and try in short was advised Western and the material especially not as Sai was Sadguru. There are gurus and gurus within this world, gurus who were put to form a house to have a simple sun vein and the hands and making sure especially they blow mantra into disciplines exert money from them, but now frustration paternizing results but themselves present religious saga not of the making out show of his late body consistent taken down disciple other tokens of gurus and yell appointed or fixed Aniyat Anapana General the Aniyat Guru advises people could clarify the heart but connected Guru discourses and self-help realize thus so there are also various guru who imparted us various kinds of worldly knowledge, but he was fixed in the true nature, self-realization beyond the world extent like Sadhguru Sai Baba and Sadhguru has a great introduction. He wants introduction. The Torahs will be great and the children of present future Baba do interviewing friends on focus on to him, disciplinary balance, he operate he will do as an prosperity and vision, no one doubt to notice them. Mm. Though he possessed human body was not placed body, though he looked embodied, he was really disciplinary free in the life of bliss. There are people essentially who accept the silence while getting drinking, worshipping back at him, and doing what is ordered. They always remember Sai, they came to know that the Sai house to speak, sweetness, and no moments of stealing. They were ignorant but they pure. And doesn't become a compost person. The letters are meaning that a common still on discerning. Simple sound sound line, but loud doesn't was the pattern to build up poetry manifesting. And we see sensitive and lessons. Baba humility. The Baba, the Lord of Baba said six qualifies of fame, wealth and honor, attachment, knowledge, of grandeur, currency. Baba had others in his conclusion, say about the wonderful with grace and considered that who trust him and for them. Seka Bhaktas Baba spoke the great God specific not example Baba spoke listen slaves, I am your better, I am satisfied ocean. The great and sort of incidents at the humanity fund or to take the publishing we should back pattern approach. This is Singh Chantas. Baba and Baba Singh to enjoy the sense of very not at least interest in never consider journey. He has gone to reaction and on the other side he never felt an interest. He saw recording the machine for perfect. And a man who was not noticed and he was consistent, short, was consistent and perfect. Taking instance maybe this will be statement. Nana Valley, there is instead a very point and favorable and Nana elected after Baba opened affairs and the approach Baba was in the great assistant to get up. We want to occupy the same Baba transfer and let the city happen. After seven Nana got up and was Baba taking back Baba to plan action and felt and went away. Baba did not send this disconnection. The Nana Valley loved Baba so much that he betrayed 13 days of Baba Mahasamadhi. The easiest path on hearing stories and centering this company, though the cyber acted outlined on a request action to a six on intelligence skill. Water was done with a devotee, it was script and then he has some solution on it. What if down a mantra and yes, he told him to leave or regular to size, I figured it called cycles in mode. Sitting between the fires as sacrifice chanting and it only for months only. Iran is self-classes that the function of the mind is to think, it cannot rethink anything within a minute. If a question it will think about a sense of object. If you give it to Guru, it will think about Guru. According to one that really lasting the greatness and when it becomes a quite nature to remember Saiva perform Akshay hearing the story since it's not difficult to the self mention. The stories remove the fear and some shows. Religion takes a spiritual process and these words. Stories meditate on them as understandings then will become pure and holy. You may turn to holy duties and give to pleasure and to science and pleasure to bless you. The easiest way to become treatment. The reason that is without God praise not meditate on science always. God praise everything is smart and easy to the grace. Here in the stories of science keeping the company, the importance of the company and the removes the board and consistent equation the state competition and percent that's in the whole questions and even with the because when certain increase or knowledge is certain different to pleasure and pain leads to a spiritual thing. If you have no source on this, take the code name of shipping, but if you have to take this wholeheartedly, carry safely across the world, like if you not reasons, signs manifest in the events cadness. As such, Ganges Godavari Krishna Kavaraj as well as the science verified from